Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. We're standing outside fix and flip that we just finished up. You might recognize this, or maybe not, hopefully not, as the Hoarder house that had the dead snake in it. We had to evict the tenants. So take a look at it, show you what we did to the house, how it looks now, and go over some of the numbers on it too. Now I'm gonna head inside because it is about 10 degrees outside and windy and spitting snow. So, not amazing. And the really cool thing was, when I first walked in the house expecting to warm up and get out of the cold, it wasn't as warm as it should have been. And I looked at the thermostat and it was at 47. So it's heating up a little now, but I don't know if our cleaners did that or the contractor. Somebody just switched the thermostat off. I'm guessing it's an accident, hopefully, but another good reason to make sure you're checking all your houses on a regular basis, especially if you're in a cold climate in the winter. Nothing can destroy a house faster than frozen pipes flooding everything. We've luckily not had that happen on any of our flips, but we have bought properties that's happened to. And I've had some REOs, some other properties that I had listed that had that happen to them. So this house, like I said, it was full of trash, animal feces, furniture, all kinds of junk. We bought it from a wholesaler. Partially my mistake. They claimed the tenants would be out and gone and we'd have possession of it, but that never happened. We had to go through an eviction. The tenants actually left, but they left their animals here. They had 3 dogs, a cat, and they came back to take care of them every couple days. But you can't just kick somebody out. If their animals are here, they still have possession of the property, so we had to go through the eviction. When we finally got that done, they came, got their animals, and left us a giant mess. Like I said, there's a huge snake cage in the living room with a dead, probably 6-foot snake in it who had been decomposing for quite a while. You can check out the before video to see all that fun stuff. And just mouse droppings, trash everywhere. So it was disgusting. We had a huge crew cleaning this out for a couple days. But yeah, redid the kitchen obviously. This is all Home Depot cabinets, appliances, countertops. We redid the flooring, Home Depot laminate, painted everything, new doors, new trim. And then in the before video too, you'll see, for some reason, they took out the closets in the bedrooms. So this wall was not there before, and that wall there was not there either. They took them out to make the dining room and living room bigger, but just had no closets in the bedroom. So we put the walls back, gave the bedrooms closets, as you can see. New windows as well, how to do that. New doors. This is one of the nastiest bedrooms because it had the kids' bunk beds in it and was just disgusting. You'd like to think they did not live in it when it was like that, but yeah, I have my doubts on that. We bought this for $192,000. This is one Nikki actually bought from a wholesaler while I was on vacation. It popped up, she came and saw it, had one other investor kind of bidding against her, and not sure if we should have paid that much for it, but it should still work out okay. All new bathroom, all that was redone. We probably spent $45,000 on it. I don't have the exact numbers yet. We have one of our hourly guys. We had a contractor who we've worked with for a couple of years at a number of jobs, and he's been doing great. So we offered him a full-time job, and he accepted it. So it's actually cheaper to use him now than it was before. We have him all the time, full-time, and he knows he's guaranteed work. So it works out great for all of us, and that makes these rehabs so much cheaper. And then he has a lot of really good sub contacts as well, for drywall, for paint, some other ones. So his subs painted, his subs did a lot of the drywall work. Really makes things faster and cheaper. And you can see in the before video, this was open. We added this bedroom. So it was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Now it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And that looks kind of funky, but I'll tell you why. So that window was there when we first bought the house, and most of the windows were broken, like not just cracked, but broken completely, no glass. So one of the first things we did was just replace all the windows. So we replaced the upstairs, downstairs windows, and then later we're like, oh, we should add a bedroom down here. We'll put an egress window in. So then we put the egress window in kind of after we'd replace those windows. You know, to be most efficient and save the most money, we would have put the egress window right there, but it doesn't really cost us anymore to have 2 windows. So extra light for that bedroom is what we're going with. All right, and here, you really should see the before video. I know I keep saying that, but I could not walk in that room. There was too much junk and trash. I could barely get into the bathroom, which was just disgusting. I could barely almost walk through that bedroom, just stuff everywhere. It was nasty. So here's this bathroom, again, completely redone. Shower, all that. Had to put in a very small pedestal sink just because the door is right there. So if we put in a regular size vanity and sink, there's almost no room to walk by it. So that's why we had that. We actually had a really small 9-inch deep sink, but it looked really funky and weird. So we took that out and put this one back instead. All right, here's this bedroom. This one was already here. It's grandfathered in, so you don't need the egress windows on that. And then this is you don't always see a window in your closet, but this one has it. So lots of windows in this basement. It's kind of nice. All right, keep getting distracted. So yeah, like I said, we spent probably about $45,000 on the repairs. Probably have another $18,000 or so on carrying costs, financing costs, sewing costs, and then we don't have an exact price yet, but in the $285,000 range, I'm thinking. Our contractor still needs to get some of his stuff out. We also still need to clean up the landscaping some too. And it's our mistake as well. This house has no yard. I mean, it's just dirt. So we really should have seeded it or try to put some kind of sod down right when we first evicted the tenants. It's kind of just at that time period when you could barely get stuff done before winter came. But now, I mean, it's the middle of winter. We can't put down sod or grass or anything. It'll just die. So not sure exactly. We could spray paint it green, I guess. Hope for it to snow. This snow isn't going to amount to much. But you know, a few things still need picked up. I don't know why the shovels and stuff are still back here, but not bad. Compared to what it looked like before, it's amazing. So that's the house. It is January 31st today. So even if it was ready to list, which it's not quite, I would probably still wait to list it, just because we tend to have bad luck listing properties on or right before a holiday. So we'll wait till the middle of the week after New Year's, get it listed. Hopefully it sells quickly and we can keep moving on. We have 15 flips in progress right now. Just got another one under contract to buy, so that was nice. Hopefully we'll get a lot more under contract to buy for the new year. One of my goals is to do 36 flips this year. We did 26 in 2018. All right, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And investformore.com has a ton more information on my flips, rentals, all that good stuff. All right, take care.